हम ऐसा तो में भागेंगे। वो कुछ नया अल्लाह देता है।
It's just get onto high pressure. Get onto high pressure. If AI wins the next 3 to 5 years and most of us are going to ChatGPT or something like it instead of Google, it's just what Google did to the yellow pages.
Wrapped up another amazing meeting. So the thing is, what I found useful is when you're trying to explain to people, right, about what your services are and what things you do as an agency. I think it's really important to break down to the most simplest fashion possible, because you don't want to be vague and you don't just want to keep pitching yourself without really understanding what the customer or the client really needs. Yeah, just a thought, just wanted to drop it like a pro tip.